Ever wonder why cricket fans lose their minds every December 26th? The Boxing Day Test isn't just another match. It's a tradition steeped in history, rivalry, and pure passion. But do you know why it's called Boxing Day? Stick around, because this is a story every cricket lover needs to hear. December 26th isn't just the day after Christmas, it's a date every cricket fan marks on their calendar. The Boxing Day Test is more than a game. It's an event that brings together legendary teams, iconic stadiums, and unforgettable moments. From its unusual name to its gripping history, let's dive into why the Boxing Day Test is the crown jewel of cricket's calendar. Here's the thing, most people watch the Boxing Day Test but have no idea why it's called that or how it became such a big deal. Why does it start on December 26th every year? And why is it usually played in Melbourne? Let's unravel these mysteries and discover how this tradition began. What is Boxing Day? Boxing Day is a public holiday celebrated in several countries including Australia, the UK, and New Zealand. Historically, it dates back to the 19th century when the wealthy would give Christmas boxes to their staff and servants the day after Christmas. Over time, the day became associated with sports, particularly cricket and football. The Boxing Day Test officially became a tradition in 1950 when England played Australia at the Melbourne Cricket Ground, MCG. However, it wasn't until the late 1970s that it gained global recognition as a marquee event in the cricketing calendar. The massive crowds, the festive atmosphere, and the summer weather in Australia turned it into an unmissable spectacle. Why December 26th? December 26th is perfect. It follows the Christmas holiday, giving fans the chance to relax and enjoy a world-class cricket match. It also aligns with Australia's summer season, making it ideal for a 5-day test match under the sun. Who plays the Boxing Day Test? Traditionally, Australia hosts the match, and it's almost always played at the MCG. The opponent? That depends on the cricketing schedule, but it's usually one of the top cricketing nations, England, India, South Africa, or Pakistan. These matches are often part of larger series, adding more weight to the occasion. Why is it special? The MCG itself is a legendary venue with a capacity of over 100,000. The roar of the crowd, the intense rivalries, and the possibility of history being made elevate the Boxing Day Test beyond a regular match. From Shane Warne's 700th wicket to Dean Jones's iconic double century, this event has given us countless moments to remember. Cultural significance. Beyond cricket, the Boxing Day Test is a celebration of summer, community, and sport in Australia. Families come together, fans fly in from around the world, and the event is as much about the experience as it is about the cricket. The Boxing Day Test isn't just a game, it's a collision of history, tradition, and high-stakes competition. Whether it's a nail-biting final day or a record-breaking innings, this match always delivers drama that keeps fans on the edge of their seats. And when you hear the roar of the MCG crowd, you know you're witnessing something extraordinary. So now you know why December 26th is so much more than just another day on the calendar. It's a tradition that combines cricket, culture, and a whole lot of passion. But don't just take my word for it. Watch it for yourself and feel the magic. This year, 2025, the match will be between ENG and India. Subscribe now and join us for more incredible cricket stories, or check out our next video about the greatest test matches ever played.